Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to play Stardew Valley game. So you need first to download Stardew Valley game from Play Store or App Store, then just come and open it. Then it will take you to this page. Now the game it will start. So it will take you to this page. So here you have options. From here you can change the language. For example, me, if I want to use English or Dutch or I don't know, Chinese, Spanish, French. It's many language actually. Here for me, I prefer to use English. So from here you can, you know, support or check with the support of the game. And right now, how to play it. Here, if you click on load, it will take you to your draft or saved game. For example, I was playing Stardew Valley yesterday, so it's saved here. If I want to back to my game yesterday, I will just click on load here, and I will found it. So if I want to start a new game, I will just click new like this. And if you want to enable tutorial hearts, for me, I don't know, I don't want, or just let me show you. I will click yes. Yeah, so first I will choose my name. I will just put something randomly. Click down. Okay, farm name down. Okay, here my gender. Here my pet. And also here I will choose my skin, my hair, my t-shirt, my I don't know. Here you have to complete this. My hair color. I'm just putting this randomly. Here my first name, I have to add it too. Click OK. My favorite things. Yeah. And guys, when I finish, I will just click here. So right now, when I complete this, I will just click here, and then it will start. If I want to skip this, I will just click skip. Then it's loading, and it will take me to another page. So as you can see here right now, I will just skip it. Here, skip. Also skip. And as you see, it's saving right now. It will show me how to play this. As you can see, I will click and click here. It will show you how to do it. Here you can go home or get out from home. You can walking by doing like this. And that's it. The game is very useful. If I want to back home, I will just click on home and he will enter home again. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was useful. If you have any question, just write it down in comments, and see you in another video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support us, and bye.